Hello friends, I am Barik Rashid and today I am discuss about the history of Bangladesh. At first, the ancient period. There is Indus civilization. It was last from 2700 BC to 1700 BC. Then Maurya dynasty. This Maurya dynasty is ruled by Emperor Ashoka. Then in Bangladesh there are, or in the Bengal comes Shango and Kushango kings. Then there is Gupta dynasty, then Pala dynasty. Pala dynasty is long-lasting dynasty. It is long from 750 AD to 1161 AD. Then there is Koivarto Muchini. It was lasted from 1080 AD to 1082 AD. Then there is Kamshena dynasty. It was lasted from 1098 to 1004 AD. Then these all are the ancient period, and now that is Middle Age. In the Middle Age there is Delhi and there is Bengal. There is in the Delhi Sultani era, and in Bengal Ikhtiar Muhammad Bokhtiyar Khilji. He was a Turkish man. He come in the Bengal in 1204 AD. Then Babur comes 1526 AD. In this way Mughal period was started. Then in the Delhi was come Humayun, then Akbar. But in the Bengal was fully freedom from 1338 AD to 1538 AD. Then there is comes Baravians. Then Akbar ruled both Delhi and Bengal. Then Akbar died in 1600 AD. After the Akbar's sons come Jahangir in 1610 AD. Jahangir is the son of Akbar. In the time before the death of Akbar, one British trader Ferdinand wants to the permission to trade that region, but Akbar does not give the permission. After Akbar, Jahangir come and give the permission to the British trader Ferdinand to trade in that region. In this way, British came into Bengal and the modern age was started by the British. The long British are ruled as for 200 years. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.